Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to another fabulous week of English 101. So I think we figured out the glitch with the sound last week. My CBC issued computer is apparently old and its microphone didn't work, so we've got our snazzy little headset, and we'll see, fingers crossed, that it works this time. So yay, welcome. We are getting so close to being done, guys. I know this is the hard part of the quarter where we're like, oh, we worked so hard and we have so far to go. It's like the middle sort of doldrums. But if I can just encourage you for a minute, like push through. You are so close to being done because if we take a look at our calendar here, we have this week, we're working on our thesis worksheet. We're going to watch some recorded lectures about how to create an annotated bibliography, how to do research. We're going to pick our case that we want to use for this particular project. And then you're going to be doing research all this week. Next Monday, we have no school because it's Memorial Day, so enjoy that day off. I'll be posting the announcements and videos on Tuesday because that's the school day. You're going to be working on writing and revising your essay that week. You're going to be working on your annotated bibliography. And then, if we just click through, um, we have one more week of working and revising, and then you turn in your annotated bibliography, which is the research journal, on the 5th, and you turn in your essay on the 9th. And then your last thing that you have to do is just a reflective letter. It's normally about a page long where you kind of talk about what you learned this quarter, which is probably your easiest writing project. So hooray, you're almost done. You can do it. So if that encourages you at all, I know we're like in the got to push forward for just a little while longer. But if you push forward, we're almost there. So I want to encourage you, finish strong. This last project, of course, is worth a lot of points. So keep going. And if you want help with this project, you can, of course, go to the CBC Writing Center, either online or in person. And that helps you in two ways. It doesn't only make your essay better, because feedback always makes our essay better, but you also get 10 extra credit points for the visit that you make. Just send me the feedback that you get from your reviewer and I'll enter those points for you, which is very exciting. So please take advantage of that, particularly for this last project. They can help you with the essay part. They can help you with the annotated bibliography. They can help you brainstorm if you're feeling stuck. Lots of great ways that the Writing Center can help you out. We also have tutors, both in person and e-tutors through the Academic Success Center. So you've got a ton of resources. If you're looking at your grade and you're feeling a little panicky, utilize those resources. They'll help you score better on these major big point projects toward the end of the quarter, which then, of course, will help you get better scores for the quarter. So, like, it's a win-win. Yay! So I'm going to show you the modules again real quick. I know we go over this every week, but there's a ton of really helpful things. We finished project 2. I'm working on grading those out. They should be done by the end of the week. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. So we've got our recorded lecture on cultural bias and justice we watched last week. Here's the PowerPoint for that if you want to be able to go through it more slowly. Here is the PowerPoint for cultural analysis, like what is cultural analysis? Why is it an academic writing genre? All that good stuff. And here's the case list. As with our last project, you need to pick a case from the case list, so do that. This is in PowerPoint form if you want to be able to read like the synopsis of each of the cases. Here's the list itself that's got hyperlinks that will help you out if you haven't selected your case yet. And here's a really interesting article about stereotypes. This could be a great resource for your Project 3 essay if you were looking for resources. And then because some of these topics are a little heavy, they're a little dark, if you need a chance to laugh for a minute, I've got a link to a funny parody song that Saturday Night Live did about how maybe we're not going to ever agree on the big things, but we can all agree on little things, like the sound the chip reader makes when you do a credit card is annoying. And they've got a song about that, and it's very funny. So if you need a chance to smile, there's your chance today. And then we've got our subheader of the essay. Here's everything you need for that essay. Please make sure, if you watch nothing else, watch these 2 videos, the prompt, the case list, and the outline, part 1 and 2. It sounds like it's really long because it's split into 2 parts, but the first part is 15 minutes, the second part is like 5 minutes. So It's 20 minutes total. If you were in class with me in person, you would have to listen to me talk for like 60 minutes every day. So 20 minutes is not bad in comparison. I know it's hard to like sit and focus when you've got your laptop. You're like, I can go somewhere else and do more fun things. But if we were in person, you'd be stuck listening to this voice, this face for like 60 minutes every day. So 20 minutes, it's a win. Do it. Just watch it. It'll help you a ton with the essay. Here's the prompt, here's the outline, here's the thesis worksheet, which you're working on today, so make sure you do that. Um, Lots of you have said that you found some YouTube videos like of news coverage of these events, which is awesome. If you want to use news coverage and that kind of thing, and it comes in the form of a YouTube video, absolutely fine. Just make sure you're citing it correctly in MLA format. So here's a link to do that. And here is a sample essay. So if you've watched all the videos, you've read through the prompt, you're still not quite sure, like, how is this going to look? Here is a sample essay for you. So you can kind of visualize it, kind of see how the argument might develop, kind of see how it might be organized, what sort of transitions might be in play. This is a solid sample that can help you get where you need to go with this essay. Then the annotated bibliography. This is the research journal part of this assignment. It is a separate assignment from the essay. So it's on the same topic. The annotated bibliography is going to tell me what research you're looking at that you will then incorporate into your Project 3 essay, but it is a separate document. So the annotated bibliography will show me the research you want to use for Project 3. And then when you write the Project 3 essay, you'll cite your sources in a normal works cited page. You won't submit the annotated bibliography again. It will just be a normal works cited page. The annotated bibliography, totally different assignment, different document, but it's on the same topic. Make sense? Folks always get that confused. So I want to make sure that we're all on the same page there. So here is a video walkthrough on how to find sources for your project. This will show you how to use the databases. This will show you how to narrow your search windows. This will show you how to use those keywords, all that good stuff. Here is a walkthrough of the annotated bibliography. This document, the annotated bibliography, is actually a really easy place to earn a large chunk of points. So if you're looking at your grade and you're like, oh, I need to like get 100% on something to help boost this, the annotated bibliography is a great place to do that because I'm only looking for 3 things when I'm grading it. So as long as you hit those 3 check marks, you're good to go. Is it an MLA format? That's a big one. This walkthrough will show you how to do it in MLA format. Does it have annotation paragraphs that contain 3 different pieces? And this will walk you through what those 3 pieces need to be. As long as you've got the format, you've got MLA format, and you've got your annotation paragraphs properly composed, this is an easy place to earn a lot of points. So please, 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 please watch this video. It will help you earn all those points. Here's the prompt and here's a sample. So make sure your document looks like the sample document and you're off to a good start. That's where we're headed, guys. As always, we've got our MLA format and grammar resources here to help you be successful. Here's the library resources if you're getting stuck and you're not sure how to figure things out or research stuff, library support here. As we get closer to the end of the quarter, I'll talk more about the reflective letter and the timed essay. You only have to take the timed essay at the end if you scored less than 60% on the diagnostic essay in week 1. So if you scored 60% or higher, you don't have to take this. If you scored lower than 60%, you do have to take this, but we will talk about that as we get closer to the end of the quarter. So that's where we're headed. That's where we're going. Lots of good stuff coming our way. I'm excited to see how your research starts to develop, how your ideas start to come together. Excited to look at your thesis worksheets today. And I am working on grading out your project 2 essays. Hopefully those will be done, knock on wood, by the end of the week. So have a great week, guys. Enjoy some of this cooler weather and sunshine, and reach out if you have any questions.